Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError can only concatenate set, not str, to set. The error in this code is caused by the fact that the list cars is defined with multiple sublists, each containing a single string. When you try to concatenate a string with a list, Python raises a type error because the two data types are not compatible for concatenation. In the given code, the expression I like the plus cars 0 plus is attempting to concatenate a string with a list, where cars 0 refers to the first sublist in the list cars. When you run this example code, then you will get this error. To fix this error, you can either update the list cars to include the strings directly as elements, as shown in my previous response, or you can access the string within the sublist using indexing, like this. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. However, it's generally better to avoid unnecessary sublists when defining a list in Python, as they can cause confusion and make the code more difficult to read and debug. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.